In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of setting up a tablet to sell tickets at your event, from initial configuration to completing transactions. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to configure your tablet for selling tickets, connect payment hardware, set up printer connections, process a complete sale, troubleshoot common issues. Whether you're setting up for a small gathering or a large-scale event, these steps will help you create a seamless sales experience for both your staff and attendees. Let's start with the basics of setting up your tablet for selling tickets with the Brushfire app. First, ensure your tablet meets the minimum requirements. For iPads iOS 16.0 or later, iPad 5th generation or later, or any iPad Pro model, sufficient storage space for the app, at least 100 megabytes. Reliable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. For Android tablets, Android 11.0 or later, modern tablet with adequate processing power, camera functionality for scanning QR codes if needed, stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. The first step is to download and install the Brushfire app. On your tablet, open the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Brushfire. Look for the official Brushfire app by Brushfire Technology. Tap Install or Get to download the app. Once installed, tap the app icon to open it. Now, let's log into your Brushfire account. When you first open the app, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter the email address and password associated with your Brushfire administrator account. You can also use other login options if you've set them up previously, such as Google or Facebook login. Tap Sign In to proceed. Remember that you must have administrative privileges to access sales features. If you're setting up multiple tablets for an event, ensure that all operators have the appropriate access credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to configure the app specifically for selling tickets. The first decision is whether to use man mode or self-service mode. After logging in, you'll be prompted to select your operational mode. For most sales situations, select manned mode since it provides full functionality and is operated by a staff member. Tap manned mode to continue. Self-service mode can also be used for sales, but it's designed for attendees to use directly and has a more limited interface. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on manned mode for maximum flexibility. Selecting card or contactless payments. On the next screen, you can select Yes to place orders with contactless or card payments via Square or Stripe, or using cash, comp, and other custom payment methods. Selecting payment hardware. On the following screen, select which payment hardware you would like to use. Choose your payment hardware type: Square Terminal, Square Reader, Square Stand, iPhone Tap to Pay if using an iPhone. Connecting Square Terminal. If you're using a Square Terminal, follow these steps. Select Square Terminal from the hardware options. If you've previously paired a terminal, it will appear in the list. Select it to reconnect. To pair a new terminal, tap plus Add New Terminal. A device code will be generated in the Brushfire app. On your Square Terminal, select Sign In, followed by Use a Device Code. Enter the code displayed in the Brushfire app. Wait for confirmation that the devices are connected. You'll see a green checkmark and Connected when successful. Connecting Square Reader. If you're using a Square Reader, the process is slightly different. Select Square Reader from the hardware options. If your reader has not been paired, you'll see No Reader Found. Tap the blue Pair Reader button. A Square settings screen will appear with instructions. Press the button on your Square Reader for 3 to 5 seconds until you see orange flashing lights. Your device will display a Bluetooth pairing request. Select Pair. When successfully paired, you'll see a green success alert. Exit the Square settings screen to return to the Brushfire app. Next, let's set up a printer connection for printing tickets, receipts, or badges. Printer selection: AirPrint. To connect a printer, you can choose from Direct Print or AirPrint. First, we will show you how to set up AirPrint. Select AirPrint to connect to a printer via Wi-Fi. Select your printer from the pop-up list. Next, we will show you how to configure direct printing. Select Direct Print to connect to a printer via USB or Bluetooth. Choose your printer brand. Select your specific printer model from the list. Printer connection. The exact connection process varies slightly depending on your printer brand, but generally follows these steps. For Zebra printers, after selecting your Zebra printer model, you'll be asked for the serial number. Select the serial number of the printer you'll be using with this device. Configure media type and label width settings. Tap Continue to apply these settings. For Star printers, after selecting your Star printer model, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet. The app will search for available Star printers nearby. Select your printer from the list, confirm the pairing if prompted. For Brother printers, after selecting your Brother printer model, you'll be prompted to configure print settings. Adjust settings like print speed, darkness, and alignment. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Confirm the settings to proceed printing tickets and receipts. After completing the printer connection, you will see the print layout page. Select which layout you would like to print. Web ticket. Customized tickets designed to be printed on a full page. E-ticket. Most commonly, a full page ticket printed by a laser or inkjet printer. Name badge. A versatile design that can be worn in a lanyard or something similar. Ticket. Most commonly, a smaller traditional looking ticket printed by a thermal printer. Testing printer connection. Once connected, you run a test print to ensure everything is working correctly. Swipe right from the very left side of the screen to reveal the app menu. Tap the Print Settings button. The Print Settings pop-up will display the current configuration for your printer. Tap the Test Print button. Verify that the test print completes successfully. Check the print quality and alignment. Device setup is now complete. Selecting your event. Next, you'll need to select the event for which you'll be selling tickets. The app will display a list of events associated with your account. If you have many events, you can use the search bar to filter the list. Tap on the event you want to sell tickets for. If your event doesn't appear in the list, check that. The event is active and published. Your account has access to the event. The event has been properly set up for in-person sales. Processing a sale. Now that we have everything set up, let's walk through the complete sales process, starting a sale. To begin selling tickets, from the main app screen, tap Register Now. On the next screen, you'll see the available ticket types. Tap the plus button next to a ticket type to add it to the cart. Adjust the quantity using the plus and minus buttons. You can add multiple ticket types to the same order. Collecting attendee information. Next, collect necessary attendee information. After adding tickets to the cart, tap Continue. On the Forms page, the app will prompt you to complete the attendee information for each attendee. Tap on one of the forms and input the attendee's information. Fill in required fields marked with an asterisk. Add any optional information as needed. Tap Submit to proceed to the checkout page. Depending on how your ticket types are configured in Brushfire, for multiple tickets, you may see options to Copy to All, collect the attendee information and apply it to all of the tickets in your cart. Gift. Brushfire allows tickets to be purchased and sent as gifts to individuals via email. Skip Details. Allows you to skip collecting information to be completed later and continue to the checkout page. Tickets will be marked as pre-registered. Processing payment. Now let's complete the transaction. Review the order summary displayed on screen. Verify the total amount and items included. Tap Checkout. Review the billing information. Tap Place Order. Before you place the order, if you need to change the payment details, tap Payment Type. For card payments through connected hardware, select Card. For cash transactions, select Cash. For other methods, select the appropriate option. For card payments, tap Place Order. The connected payment hardware will activate. Ask the customer to insert, tap, or swipe their card as appropriate. The hardware will process the payment and display approval. The Brushfire app will show a confirmation when successful. Printing tickets and receipts. After completing the transaction, you will see the Order Received page. An email confirmation with the attendee's tickets will be sent to the email address that was used on the billing page. The app gives the attendee the option to scan a QR code to view their tickets or enter in their phone number to receive their tickets via SMS. Tap Check in All to check in the attendee or tap Finish to return to the start. Depending on your configuration, the app gives you the option to automatically print tickets when an order is completed. If automatic printing is not enabled, tap the printer icon in the top right corner. Tap Finish to return to the start screen. Potential issues and troubleshooting. Let's discuss some common issues that might arise during the sales process and how to address them. Connectivity problems. If you experience connectivity issues, check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection strength. Ensure your payment hardware is within range, especially for Bluetooth devices. Try toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth off and then on again. If persistent, restart your tablet and payment hardware. Payment declined issues. If a payment is declined, the payment hardware will display an error message. Common reasons include insufficient funds, card limits reached, incorrect PIN or security information. Card restrictions. Ask the customer to try another payment method. If multiple cards are declined, there might be an issue with your payment hardware connection. Printer problems. For printer-related issues, check that the printer is powered on and has paper. Verify the Bluetooth or USB connection. Try sending a test print from the printer settings menu. If the printer disconnects frequently, replace batteries if it's a battery-powered model. Ensure it's within range if using Bluetooth. Check for interference from other devices. App crashes or freezes. If the app becomes unresponsive, force close the app and restart it. If problems persist, restart your tablet. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Brushfire app. Check for tablet storage issues or background processes that might be interfering. Best practices for sales success. Before we conclude, here are some best practices to ensure smooth sales operations. Test everything before your event. Run complete test transactions. Print sample tickets. Verify all hardware connections. Prepare backup plans. Have spare receipt paper. Keep chargers and power banks handy. Consider having a backup tablet if possible. Train your staff. Ensure all operators understand the sales process. Practice troubleshooting common issues. Know who to contact for technical support. Monitor sales in real time. Use the Brushfire dashboard to track sales. Adjust inventory or available tickets as needed. Address any unusual patterns quickly. You've now learned the complete process for setting up a tablet to sell tickets using the Brushfire Mobile App. Remember that Brushfire's support team is always available to help if you encounter any issues not covered in this tutorial. Thank you for watching.